In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed forms on websites in Zoho Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab your embed code from Zoho and place it on your website so visitors can fill it out right on the page. Start by opening your browser and searching for Zoho. Head to the official Zoho website and sign into your account. Once you're in, look for the list of Zoho apps and choose Zoho Forms. If you have multiple Zoho apps, you may see a dashboard first. Just locate the Forms icon to continue. Inside Zoho Forms, open the form you want to embed. If you've already created it, you'll see it in your Forms list. Click it to enter the form builder. From here, go to the Share tab. This is where Zoho provides all the options for putting your form in front of your audience. You'll be prompted to choose the type of embed code that fits your website. The JavaScript embed is a great default choice because it can automatically adjust the form's height and handle responsiveness nicely within most layouts. If your website or CMS restricts scripts, the iframe option is a reliable alternative. It isolates the form from your site's styling, which can prevent conflicts. If you don't need to place the form directly on the page, you can use a hyperlink, which sends visitors to a hosted form page. Some setups also offer pop-up or lightbox variants that open the form when someone clicks a button or link. Pick the option that best matches how you want the form to appear and behave on your site. After choosing the embed type, click the Copy Code button. This places the exact snippet you need on your clipboard, so you won't have to type or modify anything by hand. Now move to your website's HTML editor and paste the code where you want the form to appear. In WordPress, that typically means using a custom HTML block in the editor, or placing the code in a template file if you're comfortable with theme edits. In site builders like Squarespace or Wix, look for an embed or code block and paste the snippet there. On custom sites, drop the code inside the body of the page at the spot where the form should render. If you use an iframe, you can adjust width and height attributes to control spacing. With JavaScript embeds, let the snippet handle sizing whenever possible for better responsiveness. That's it. You've copied the embed from Zoho Forms and placed it into your web page's HTML, ready for visitors to use.